Are you a pattern paper pack rat? And do you have piles that are teetering right now and they are threatening to crush a small child if they fell over? What about if I showed you 3 fun folds that you can create with your 12 by 12 paper that will look different every single time? I give you lots of alternatives so you can really visualize how your own stamps, dies, and punches will work on these designs. You're going to master your fun folds, but you're also going to learn things like how to color on your rubber stamps with markers, how to get rid of some of those intricate little bits that get caught in your dies, when and how to use double-sided adhesive sheets, among a whole bunch more. You'll get the full supplies and cutting measurements, and then you'll have access to my Just by Joe video so that you can create whenever you want. Follow along using your own stash, your own supplies, whenever is good for you. You get lifetime access to this class so you don't have to watch it right away. Click the button now and get immediate access to your Fun Folds and DSP online class.